Hello.
Hey, hi Arjun. The photo you posted was really good. I was a bit doubtful on what you're doing in the middle, but then now it makes sense. Actually, the photo series itself is good.
Thanks,
Good
Rahul.
work.
Thank you so much. And I did not receive any call from the alumni yet.
Yes, I've given Ketana's number. I've told them to contact her. Okay?
It was my idea, na. Like, I'll talk to them.
No, da. Ketana is the point of contact. So you tell her the idea. They will contact her, and she will kind of tell it to them. Okay?
She has a different plan, and she's not even listening to me.
They
We have been fighting for it about a week or so.
See, both of you are at the heads. You both have the same stature. But then she is the one who is going to take the final decisions, Arjun. We already talked about this, 1 minute. Arjun, I think I have to go now. We'll talk later, okay?
Yeah, and also the interviews are going to start in. So, what made you interested in joining this magazine?
I'm actually interested in landscapes, and I've seen your work in the magazine, Keetnaka's work and Sharma's work. He's actually my classmate. Like, I think I can learn a lot from you guys, and honestly, I want to travel with you people, like, to different places. And who wouldn't love free attendance?
Yeah, I completely get it. Yeah, like even in my first year, I used to be very jealous of the seniors. They were like going to places, but they would get full attendance. To be honest, even that was my motivation to join this magazine somehow.
Exactly.
By the way, where did you capture this picture?
It was during a car rally which happened last year.
So, what lens did you use to take this?
I used a prime 50 mm lens.
Okay. See, I couldn't feel the intensity of the crowd in this photo. Next time, try using a wide lens when you're in crowd, okay? Wide lens has this power to show the grandeur of the rally. It could even convey a better story. We all think that wide lens is not good or something like that, but its power lies in the hands of the photographer. You get it, right?
Yeah. Yes.
It's a good thing that you made it black and white. I really loved it.
Thank you.
So, Shruti,
And
what
also take
are
care of
your
the exposure and ISO. Okay. Keep experimenting. One day you will master in this.
Yes.
and also
Even
focus
if you're
on
not selected for this magazine, don't worry. Keep taking pictures. You can send them to me for any feedback. I'll be more than happy to help you out.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, Kirtan, you wanted to ask something, right? Please go on.
the nothing that you pretty much covered everything actually. I have nothing to add.
Your time is going to be over. Okay, then we will update you about the results. Thanks for your time, Shruti. All
Yeah.
the best.
Thank you.
Hey, Kirtu, just open my Insta page for a second. Look at
Yeah.
my recent post. I guess everyone loved it. It's gone viral, like really 600 reshares. How is it?
It's really nice, da. Wow, the kid smile is so cool. You're finally starting to focus on human emotions, Arjun. Good job.
Thank you.
But why did you make it black and white?
These kind of pictures look good when they are in black and white. It can signify that there is no color in their life, maybe.
Seriously, Arjun. Did you even see the surroundings? They are so colorful and beautiful. The houses, the streets, and the kids in the background. Even the kid in the photo is having ice cream with such a passion. How can you conclude they're sad, da?
Oh, come on. You don't have to think that deep just for a picture. They are from a village, so I wanted to capture their sorrow.
Their life is not only sorrow, Arjun. A picture conveys a story, and here you're trying to twist the story to create fake sympathy. It's like you're manipulating the audience.
Yeah, maybe. The kind of photos which you think are good aren't liked by people. Luckily, this one worked and people loved it.
Yeah, this photo is working until you tell the reason.
But people really liked it, okay? Even Rahulan has reshared the photo in his story. That's all I need. Even Gautam shared and Kavyaka too. Why can't you just be happy for me for a second?
Do they know your twisted intentions behind it? Whatever. I didn't like the photo.
And by the way, Peter has agreed to rent his drone on Sunday. I Google paid him 4,000. So get ready.
What? But Pawan is ready to give his drone for free. Why did you pay 4,000 to Peter?
Pavan wasn't sure whether he's going to give it to us or not. Okay, we can't postpone a shoot just for him, right?
Yeah, but I was trying to convince him. You didn't even think for a second to discuss this with me. I thought I'll tell about Pawan after the interview.
How long should we wait for him? Huh? It was simple yes or no question. He should say yes. Either he will do it or no, he can't. He wants us to beg for him or what? Huh? I didn't like his attitude at all.
But if you just wait for one day, we did not pay 4,000, Arjun. You know that our club's fund is low.
Oh, come on. It's just a small thing, Kirtu. Don't make fuss out of everything. You make sure that storyboards are ready by Saturday, okay?
But it's really a large amount for this, da.
All right, shall we start the next interview?
Yeah. Actually, I'll take the whole interview. Hi, Ravi. I'm Kirtana.
Hi, Da. I'm Arjun from fourth year. I'm the head photographer of this magazine.
So, Ravi, tell about yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Ravi from first year CAC. I have been taking photos since my 10th standard holidays. I love capturing portraits which focus on human emotions. So yeah, I thought I will be good for this magazine.
Good, good. Actually, we'll talk about photography later, but answer this question. If you are given a chance to shoot something in a slum, how will you prepare yourself for that?
Mm, okay, so firstly, I will get to know what kind of people are living there, their occupations, their cultures, and other things. And then I will try to take pictures which actually can show their lifestyle and beauty in it. I have a similar photo in my Instagram. I have sent you the link.
Wait, let me check it out. Oh, is it a bangle shop photo, da?
Yes.
Oh, it's really beautiful. I actually like the choice of not color grading it. It looks so natural, da.
Thanks, Ka.
So, where did you take this photo from?
Old city, Hyderabad.
హైదరాబాదా హైదరాబాద్లో ఎక్కడరా
Gachibowli అన్న.
గచ్చిబౌలి మనది కూడా అక్కడే గచ్చిబౌలి
అవునా? అది గచ్చిబౌలి సర్కిల్ ఉందా, దానికి లెఫ్ట్ కి వెళ్ళాలి.
అది చర్చ్ ఏదో వస్తుంది అక్కడేనా?
అవునన్నా, ఆ చర్చ్ పక్క గల్లీలోకి వెళ్ళినాక వీధి చివరిలో ఉంటది అపార్ట్మెంట్.
అచ్చా అటువైపా, మాది లింగంపల్లి సైడ్లే.
దగ్గరే అన్న మాకు. అన్న ఈసారి ఫోటోషూట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నేను కూడా రావచ్చా మీతో పాటు?
రా పక్కా, చాలా ప్లేస్లు ఉన్నాయి తిరగాల్సినవి. వికారాబాద్ ఉంది, ఫలక్నామా ప్యాలెస్ ఉంది, ఇంకొంచెం దూరం అయితే లక్నవరం కూడా ఉంది. అబ్బో చాలానే ఉన్నాయిలే.
So, Ravi, what are your hobbies?
దుర్గం చెరువు వెళ్ళావారా?
అంటే రీసెంట్ గా పోలేదమ్మా, ఎప్పుడు 10th స్టాండర్డ్ వెళ్ళాం అనుకుంటా.
బ్యూటిఫుల్. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ అక్కడికే వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? తర్వాత కాల్
అవునా?
చేస్తారే, కుదిరితే కలిసి వెళ్దాం.
ఓకే అమ్మా, షూర్, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడంటే అప్పుడు.
ఓ కీర్తన, యూ వాంటెడ్ టు ఆస్క్ సంథింగ్ రైట్? గో ఆన్. ఐమ్ సారీ.
So, Ravi, what made you interested in photography?
It's this feeling of telling a story through a single image. That idea fascinated me. So yeah, I want to explore this art. I learned through YouTube channels and I studied photos of popular photographers.
Oh, nice. So, do you know anything about Henry Bresson? Have you studied any of his works?
నీ దగ్గర ఏ కెమెరా ఉందిరా?
Nikon D7500 అన్న.
D7500
ఆ,
అదే కొందా అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఎలా ఉంది?
అది చాలా
When I was in first year, during the KS, I really misplaced my senior's lens. It was so memorable. I thought he was going to. If you want to break any rule, first learn it properly. Then only it makes sense, right? All the best, Da. You can leave the call now.
Okay, da. You take care of remaining interviews. I'm little tired. I leave the meet now.
You are leaving. We still have a lot more people to interview, Ketu.
Yeah, I know. But I'm tired. I'm gonna take some rest.
Why the hell are you tired? I was the one who was interviewing everyone. You're just sitting silent.
That's the reason I'm tired of. I'm tired of just sitting silent. I'm tired of always getting interrupted by you. I'm tired of just waiting for my chance to speak, but you know what? You never stop talking. I'm tired of even listening to your voice, Arjun.
What did I do? Why are you so angry at me?
I told you right that I'll interview Ravi. I asked you to let me speak, but you wantedly took that away from me.
Since when are you interested in asking questions? Well, basically you're scaring the junior. I mean, how will he know about Henry Bresson? Even I don't know who the hell is he.
If you don't know who the hell he is, that's your problem, not mine, right? And it has nothing to do with you interrupting me.
You know what? You act like you know everything, and that's the problem. You told me to focus on human emotions while taking photos. Fine. I tried, I learned it, and applied it. Took many pictures. I even got bad remarks from seniors. Still, I believed you. Now, when it's working and everyone are appreciating me, yet you keep your face grumpy and criticize me again.
Well, what now? You want me to tell you how I feel and what you want to hear? Okay, hereafter I'll be like, wow, Arjun, it's a great job. Summa picture da. Goosebumps ஆயிடுச்சு.
Even in original interviews, people won't ask these kind of questions. Henry Bresson and all. If I hadn't interfered, you would have regretted coming to this interview. You know that?
Did he tell you that? Did he tell you that? Answer me, did he tell you that?
No, but that was quite obvious.
You assumed. He has the sense you're looking for, Arjun. And he said he's been following my work since a long time. He said he's a fan of my work.
Oh, all right. So that's what this is about, huh? Me disturbing your fanboy movement?
You don't understand anything, do you? No, it's not only about the interview. It's about everything that you do. You think everything is a joke. You don't take this seriously, right, Arjun?
Oh, I'm not being serious, huh? Then who the hell is working behind people like make them finish their work? Did you ever do anything without my involvement? You don't even have the guts to tell people that it's bad or do it again. You always say, okay, parvale, parvale. I don't even understand why they made you the head.
Because the committee couldn't trust you for your hard decisions. They thought making us the head will make you discuss things before you finalize. But you don't even want me to be head, right? I know what you told Rahul and I about me in the interview. You really don't want me to be head, right?
What I meant was it should be either you or me.
he-
Hello, am I audible, Anna?
Yes, Vishnu, you're audible.
Oh, hi, Anna. I'm Vishnu. I'm currently in second year mechanical department.
Hi, Ram. I'm Arjun. Tell me more about yourself.
Uh, Anna, I started clicking photographs like since 3 or 4 years back, I think so, when I'm in 10th standard. And I have a Sony Alpha camera now. And Arjun, Anna, I think I know you, Anna. Like, are you that photoholic, Arjun?
Yeah, Ram.
Oh, Anna, I've been following your Instagram for a long time, Anna. All of your images are seriously eye candy, Anna.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you.
And I really try to seek inspiration from you, Anna, like that astrophotography things and the shooting star picture. Literally, all of them are awesome, Anna. And I think even today you uploaded a picture, right?
Yeah, Ram.
Seriously, it was awesome, Anna. எனக்கு photo எல்லாம் பார்த்து literally goosebumps, Anna.
Thank you, Ram. I'm glad you liked it, Ram. But that photo did not work for many people here.
Oh, you didn't like that, Akka?
What? No, da, he's just kidding. I love that image. It's such an eye candy, no? See, even I got goosebumps.
Okay, so how did your journey start in photography?
Nah, my brother had this Sony Alpha camera, and I just took it from him and started clicking pictures, some like some portraits and nature photography things. I think it came so naturally to me, Anna.
Good, Ram. Kirtu?
So, Vishnu, whose photographs do you follow the most?
Kai, எனக்கு first priority is always photoholic Arjun, Anna. And then Peter McKinnon and Audi photography, Bobby Joshi and that guy Sebastio Selgato.